Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OnePlus 12R, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. Firstly, you need to open the settings application, then click battery. Afterwards, find power saving mode and enable power saving mode. This is the first thing you can do to improve battery life. Then second step is to disable all unnecessary features you don't need right now. For example, if you use mobile internet, just disable it if you connect it to the Wi-Fi, or vice versa. If you're using right now Wi-Fi, disable mobile internet, because when both of networks are enabled, both of them consume your battery power for certain time networks. Okay, then location services. Disable location services if you don't need to use maps right now or any other app that needs your internet connection, your GPS connection. Disable NFC if you don't plan to pay right now, and it's more safe for future than you think. So I suggest you to have NFC always disabled, and only when you need to pay, enable it. And what about personal hotspot? So I suggest you to disable it. And of course, I suggest you to enable the dark mode, because in the dark mode your screen started to be dimmer and darker in most of applications. And in this way your screen consumes less battery power, because here you have LED screen. So your screen was created from thousands of micro lamps, and in the places when screen is black, so lamps are disabled, because lamp can't create black color, So that's it. And the last thing you can do is to enable the super power saving mode in power settings. In this mode you can use only 6 apps, you can use 3 standard apps, and 3 apps you can add, and in this way your device will live extremely long. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you!